Hello, Justin. This will be some video feedback for you, probably the last I'll be able to provide, but I wanted you to know that I'm, will be around, of course, these next 2 weeks, and I bid you every strength. Justin, this is what I see when I open up your submission here. So I see that you've got the magazine rough PDF. You've got your steps that you took of your process and as screenshots. And so, I guess the next thing I would do is maybe knit together some narrative that explains what you're doing, or what you're doing. Yes, I remember all this. And then you also have the steps for your banner. You've used some of the same imagery. So, interesting how it progresses. I look forward to seeing the actual GIF image. And I see that you've used the frame-based editor. Good going on that. So I guess the next thing I'll do is open up your Photoshop file. I see you've used the frame-based timeline editor. So I'm going to rewind it. Whoops, back to the beginning. And then play it and see how it goes here. Good. It's a lot less complicated than the screenshots reveal it to be, and it pretty much alternates between this frame and this. There is that brief interval with the turquoise in the background. I don't know if you need that. It's almost like a eye blink. This. Whoops. Where was it? Where is it? Yeah, there's something about that transition. But other than that, the timing looks good. You might consider some dissolves, some tweening between frames. But I see that you've got everything, on its own layer, and I would probably be able to turn the visibility off or on of various things as I can. So good job of file structure, and you've used the same ingredients from the print ad, so there's a visual connection. All right, let me see what else. Okay, this shaped up nicely. I realized, I think I may have mentioned some not some errors, but what I'm saying is some touchy issues here. Is this too much like Let Them Eat Cake? Have you passed it around to other, to maybe family members? And I'm thinking you could clean this up. Here's a naturally implied axis, right down along here. This, I think, could be smaller, bold as you have it. But if you could arrange it flush left off this axis so that it fits nicely against those cans. And then maybe this can be dropped down in here. I don't think you want them to be too isolated. The idea of relaxing in a tub, and I know there's a reward sort of system, not reward going on here, but just pass it around. I may be coming at it through a odd lens. All right, so I'm going to stop here. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out.